the difference between an executive chair versus a non-executive chair can be significant. And where that really comes to play is the amount of interaction and day-to-day involvement in the business that the executive chair would typically have. So this is not somebody that comes in 4 or 5 times a year and provides oversight and guidance. This individual is usually more day-to-day. They're mentoring the CEO, they're providing strategic direction on daily activities. It's much more involved, and as a result, the pay is typically much higher than it would be otherwise. And so what that pay arrangement might look like, and again, there's lots of factors that influence the quantum and the design of pay. But what that pay typically looks like is, of course, it's usually less than the CEO, but it might oftentimes be one of the top 5 executive officers. We often see this as a proxy reported role. However, that's not always the case, again, depending on some of these facts and circumstances. What we typically do when looking at how best to approach this kind of compensation discussion is we look at a couple different reference points. And this is important for committees to understand, but then also to apply their own facts and circumstances to it.